do you know about Japan?
Well,
Anything.
what I say, I know that samurai are from there. They like to do anime, and they like electronic things. That's it, nothing else.
What anime do you know?
Naruto,
Where's Japan?
Asia.
Oh, which one?
Just a second.
Yeah.
In here,
Which one exactly?
can I?
Yeah, of course.
But in your language, it's complicated to see. It's
Like this? Okay. Jam, Indonesia. but it's very close. It's very close. This is Indonesia. But Japan is here. So
Okay.
almost perfect.
Wow. Japan is the one country, big country. Yeah, it's beautiful.
Oh.
Yeah.
E também vale bonito, é grande que sabemos.
What is beautiful in Japan? Why do you think Japan is beautiful?
They have the colors, the city is beautiful. No.
Oh, you know.
Pokemon.
Pokemon.
I see my son see the Pokemon every day. Pokemon. Yeah. Pokemon, Dragon Ball.
Oh, Dragon Ball.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now my
E
son
outro mais
like
moderno.
Sonic.
Sonic.
Yeah.
Sonic.
Sonic.
This is Cape Verde.
Yeah.
Donde Japan?
My God.
You can use it.
É para chutar.
Put in the Portuguese
Of course.
in the Japan, no. In the continente asiático, no? Japan è continente asiático.
No hint, okay?
È continente asiático.
Yeah, continent Asia.
Ásia e para ali.
No. Choose one country.
Você está ali lá?
Não.
Então pronto, é para ali.
Oh, here.
Ok?
Okay? Mongolia. Oh, okay. It's okay. Mongolia is also very close. Close,
Yeah,
almost.
okay.
She say Indonesia. It's also close. Okay, thank you so much.
Okay.
Okay, Japan is this.
Ah, ok.
It's island.
Ah, Japan
Like a-
is one island.
Yeah, like a salad.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Thank
Remember?
you. Yeah.
Okay. What do you know about Japan?
What I know about Japan, I know that it's a respectful culture. I know where is it. I know about a little bit about the background, like some histories, but it's more because I like to read about general knowledge, and I know that it's a beautiful place. I love the trees that you have there with the flowers, like the orange flowers. I know about the samurais because I love history, like in general in the world. So I know about the samurais. Yes, I think more or less is what I know about Japan.
How about the anime?
Oh, Dragon Ball.
Oh.
I love Dragon Ball. It was my favorite anime, like
Ah.
my favorite animation when I was a child.
Nice.
Son Goku, I love Son Goku. The Moon Ladies, I don't remember the name.
Yeah.
Yeah, that had like the hairs. Yeah, I love them too. Pikachu.
Oh, Pokemon.
Pokemon.
Ah. Oh, you
Yeah.
know a lot.
And I saw some Digimon, but I didn't enjoy them a lot.
Yeah, because same generation.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. So this is more or less what I
Okay.
know.
Okay. So you told me you know where is Japan.
Yes.
Can you find Japan?
Yes, here.
Oh!
すごい。
You are first person.
I love maps. I know more or less where is each country in the world.
Oh, yeah. Oh, nice, nice.
And
nice.
Tokyo is the capital.
Look, look. This is Saru in Cabo Verde. Do you know where is Japan?
Sabes onde é que é o Japão?
Não.
Like this. You can find it. Do you know where?
Me?
No. You don't know where is Japan? Do you know where is Japan?
Yes, I
Yes.
know.
Wow.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's, I think, in this area. Okay.
You can do like this.
Okay.
Yeah.
So here I think is China. I think Japan is here.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's there.
This is Central Orange Island.
Ah, okay.
This is not Japan.
Okay.
Okay. I can show you where is China.
Okay, Chom.
China is this.
Okay.
So
This
maybe you
wall
can
here.
find it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So, okay.
Mm.
This is all in Chinese. Maybe
Yeah, yeah,
it's here.
Ah, close. This is Taiwan.
Okay.
Taiwan is
good.
very close.
So,
Yes. Yes.
last.
Yes. This
Alright.
one. Yes. She found Japan. What do you know about Japan?
What I know about
Yeah.
Japan. Inside the animes
Uh-huh.
and the mangas.
Yeah.
Okay. Not much. I know about the bomb in Hiroshima and Nagasaki. I know your main city is Tokyo. I don't know the number of your population, so I don't know. I like sushi.
Oh.
And sashimi. I think that's all.
Thank you so much.
Another
Try. Where is Japan? This is Africa, okay?
Yeah.
Where is Japan?
Oh. This?
Oh, this one? This is Mali.
Yeah, really.
You try. Try to find Japan.
Il continente asiatico.
Continent which? Continent?
Asiatico.
Yes. Where is the continent Asia?
Qu'est-ce que c'est? C'est Russie. Sim. Ali.
Ah, si.
Asiatico. Então é bem mais ou menos o que eu vou fazer.
This? Okay, this is China.
China.
Okay, ¿dónde Japan? Onde Japan?
China soll ich in Japan se bewerten.
Oh, this is Korea. Almost. This is Japan, okay?
Okay.
I know what I see on TV and on internet. I know it's like a very developed country. A lot of lighting in the streets and big buildings. This is what I know. So it's definitely a place that I would like to visit one day. Africa?
Yeah. Here is Cabo Verde.
Yeah, that is
Yeah.
Cabo Verde. So where's Asia?
I don't know.
Japan is in Asia, that's what I know. This map is in Japan, so could you show me a Google map without?
No. You can find just from geography.
I cannot.
You don't know?
I'm a badly
Okay.
geographic person.
Okay.
Yeah.
Which country is next of Japan? Do you know?
I think China is one of the countries that are next to Japan. It's in Asia, right?
That's
Yes.
right. You know how can I go to China from Japan? By car or by train or by airplane or by ferry?
By airplane. So probably by ferry too.
Yes.
I'm not a fan of animes, but I know my kid is. My son is 15, so he loves animes. So I know the like the drawings, the cartoons of anime. So, but to tell you that is a subject that I could appoint names about it, I don't know. I mean, I've heard of Dragon Ball.
Yes, yes.
I've heard of
That's
Dragon
very
Ball.
popular here.
It's the most popular in Portugal where I studied. Even the guys from the university, they used to miss class just to go home and watch Dragon Ball. So that I know, but it's not something that I can develop.
What do you think about Japanese people?
Japanese people, I think they travel a lot. I hear they are very touristic, like they travel the world, and very technological also, like communication technology, like iPads and tablets and cameras all the time. This is the image that I see. Also, I think that Japanese people, in compared to other Asian countries, are very into the global, into the world. They're very different. Like they dye their hair on blonde, they use different earrings. So this is the image that I have. Maybe it's like a stereotype, I'm sorry, but this is what I see in comparison with the Chinese people, which I think is more strict. The Japanese are more laid back. This is how I think they are.
Okay. Do you know any Japanese people?
I know you. I know
And
you.
like famous people?
And I know her. I know there are really great bands, young people bands that people follow a lot in the Europe, like girl bands and boy bands, but I don't know their name. I don't know their band names, but I know they're like huge, famous.
Can you date with Japanese guy? You understand? Handsome. Good face.